In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clip a text mask in Canva. This is a really fun effect where your image shows through the shape of a letter, creating a bold and creative look for titles, logos, or social media posts. I'll walk you through it slowly, so just follow along on your own Canva design. First, make sure you have a design open in Canva. It can be any size or template. On the left-hand side of your screen, look for the Elements tab and click on it. Elements is where Canva keeps shapes, graphics, photos, and in this case, special frames that we'll use for our text mask. Once you're in the Elements panel, go to the search bar at the top and type in letter frame. Letter frames are special letters that act like containers for images. Instead of placing an image behind text, we're actually putting the image inside the letter itself. After you type letter frame, you'll see a variety of alphabet letter options appear. Scroll until you find the letter E frame, or whichever letter you want to use. Click on the letter frame to add it to your design. It will appear on your canvas just like a regular graphic. Now, adjust the size and position of this letter frame. You can click and drag the corners to make it bigger or smaller, and drag it around the canvas to place it exactly where you want. This step is important because your image will conform to this letter's shape. Next, go back to the left-hand panel and click on Uploads. This is where all of your own photos, logos, and graphics are stored. If you don't see the image you want to use yet, you can upload it from your computer by dragging it into Canva or using the Upload button. Once your photo is in the Upload section, select the one you want to appear inside the letter. Now, click and hold that photo, then drag it over to the letter frame on your canvas. When you hover the image over the letter, you'll see it snap into place. Release your mouse and the image will automatically be clipped inside the shape of the letter. You can double click on the letter frame to reposition the image inside if needed, sliding it around until the most important part of the photo is visible through the letter. And that's it. You've created a clipped text mask in Canva using a letter frame and your own image.